In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share notebooks publicly in NotebookLM. This process is straightforward, and it allows you to quickly share your work with anyone through a simple link. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues, sharing research with classmates, or just showing off your work to friends on social media, this step-by-step guide will help you do it efficiently. First off, let's dive into NotebookLM and get started. Open the specific notebook that you want to share. You'll find this incredibly helpful if you're looking to collaborate or just want to get some feedback from others. Once your notebook is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a Share button sitting there, ready to be put to good use. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to sharing your work with the world, or at least with those who have the internet and can click on a link. Now, once you hit that Share button, you will be presented with a few sharing options. Here, you need to set the access to anyone with a link. This is a crucial step. It's what will make your notebook accessible to anyone you choose to share it with. Changing this setting essentially opens up your notebook, so be sure you're comfortable with who might view it. This is the part where you ensure your work isn't too sensitive or personal, because setting it to anyone with a link means exactly that. Anyone with this link can view your notebook. Once you've set the access level, a public link will be automatically generated for you. This link is your key to sharing. You'll notice a Copy Link button, which you should click to get the link copied to your clipboard. It's now ready to be pasted wherever you want. You can share this link in an email, in messaging apps, or even on social media, depending on your audience. Think about where your intended viewers are most likely to see it. If you're reaching out to coworkers or collaborators, email or professional messaging platforms might be the best bet. For more informal sharing, platforms like social media could be ideal. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've managed to make your notebook available to a wider audience. Remember, sharing your notebooks in this way is a great opportunity not only for getting feedback, but also for showcasing your work and collaborating more effectively. So the next time you have a project or piece of work that deserves attention, you'll know just how to get it out there. Thanks for tuning in, and happy sharing.